we endeavor at Andy's Hot on the Spot. Andy, this is a new place?
Yeah, new place.
Recently opened?
We recently opened for breakfast and we have Monday to Thursdays. We sell Polori, aloo fry, tahina. We started our venture about 8 years ago. And the breakfast menu has started a month ago.
So on Saturday, you do a bigger menu?
Yeah, Saturdays and Sundays from 5:30 to 10:30 in the morning.
And what are the menu today?
Today is dessert pie, curry chicken pie, chicken pie, aloo pie, cheese pie, and smoker and pie.
And what is the biggest seller, Andy?
The biggest seller for sure will be the saltfish pie.
Saltfish pie?
Everybody right now is saltfish.
So your pies is what? Like aloo pie and then you put some saltfish in it? So it's like an all aloo pie.
Correct.
And you just add in your different meats, right? And what is the best combo?
The best combo definitely be a bacon saltfish together with some smoker.
Bake saltfish and smoke. Oh yes, and a fry bake too?
Fry bake too with anything.
Well, for sure, I'm gonna take the best seller.
Best seller for sure.
Obviously the best seller. And then I like no meat, so it says gizzard and
Gizzard, chicken, curry chicken.
so you do combos like you can take all meats, everything, you can do anything you want.
Anything.
Alright, we gotta come into this. So guys, you can check it out here. Saltfish, smoker, gizzard. I think this would have been the best seller. It's done.
Yeah,
There's always say where's the best seller, let's put it first.
So who buy that?
I buy that.
Everybody.
Well, Kenny go share that with everybody?
You have to share it.
Yeah, everybody go take a piece.
Right?
I expect Kenny to do that by himself.
Hey, that's a leave.
Oh God, you go share it, we go share it, boy. We're running with it.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a massive combo today here. We're gonna try all the meat on one pie. If you say one meat is good, 3 meat is better, what do you say? We want chicken, we want the gizzard, we want the
ultimate combo.
yeah.
Ultimate combo.
If when I would take a chicken breast.
Gizzard, yeah.
This quality is good. The gizzard is like garnish.
All in a pie?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
You for real?
Why not? It's like,
You have a problem in your digestion, that you know.
but nah, I don't have a problem, boy. Very nice. Dance with each other make fry bake. Your mother? I like the part everywhere, man. Who teach you what now, man? It'll be nice. Somebody is auntie, some they say their husband. But 90% they say their mother. Can you teach you to make fry bake?
I never make fry.
I know, I taste it. It's bad. Yes, right. That is famous fry bake?
Yeah.
That bake look very nice.
And even we just have bacon shark too, you know.
Bacon shark? Talking about.
Yeah, Andy.
Place busy.
This is
Guys, if you want to check out this place is located right after Bakery Treats. In which one?
Rodney Road Endeavor.
Rodney Road in Endeavor. So Bakery Treats there, and right here is the place. Busy spoon bar. Greasy spoon.
Alright guys, so we are at the Andy's Pie place, that's what you call it.
Be excited.
We real excited. We went real crazy with that pie.
Real crazy. So we're real hungry. Real hungry. We have long with chip. Kenny in the background. Kenny, where in the background there?
I have
the only stew chicken. Yeah, Kenny. Guys, the stew chicken had to be the hit because that's the first thing sell out. Full container.
Okay.
So right now we're going to try a combo here, right?
This is
this is curry chicken, gizzard, smoker and saltfish. I don't know what's going on with this pie, right?
real meat. It's cut in half. That's okay.
Oh my god, hold it up now. It cut in half?
Yeah, she cut it.
She ain't cut it good.
Well, full. Yeah.
So guys, check out this. Check this out. It's full. It's real full, real nice. I'm excited. Ready, Kevin?
Uh-huh.
I find it real good. Kevin, what do you think?
Pepper nice too.
It's real good. Only, maybe one little advice I will give them, because it's pie, maybe use boneless meat, what do you think?
Yeah, the chicken have bone in it.
That may be the only advice, but everything they send amazing. I wouldn't like this combo. I don't know what that tastes.
I am not really a smoke current fan, but the smoke current tastes real good.
But yeah, gizzard too, Kevin.
I know he gizzard. Can you go now with that sea chicken there? You're quiet, boy.
I don't know, yeah. These people could really make saltfish.
Yeah, saltfish is nice.
Saltfish highlighting. Saltfish is the best so far.
You know, you ever think with that combo pie like this, you're losing taste of different meat. Everything highlighted in the pie. Tastes real good.
On to the next pie.
Here we go.
Guys, so first pie was amazing. We're gonna try the cheese pie. Cheese pie.
Cheese
oh my God!
out.
Wait! I need to get it. Oh, the real cheese oozing out here right now. It's very, very, very hot. Kevin moving around greedy, so that one give him the most side. Give me the end. Right? Kevin hold it.
I'm holding out.
There's the guy with eating in the car right now.
It's leaking out.
Check it out, leaking. But look at amazing. Woo, yeah, can you?
Imagine they make a pepperoni pie. That
Oh my God. Check out cheese. These people not skimming.
Similar because in carrot and like cucumber.
Yeah, these people not skimming with cheese people. Trust me. They're not. I wish I could have get them. But
Aloo in it too, Kevin. So
Yes.
oh yes, this is aloo. So all the pies are aloo based pies, people.
Just with a different filling.
No. I don't think so.
I can't believe this. We come in a line and 3 man hiding inside of it. Something wrong here, why?
You always have cheese, buy check out cheese.
Okay, so the potato we was wrong. The cheese we was wrong. It had no potato in this.
yeah, that's clean.
Plain classical cheese pie. It's amazing. Nice carrots, side. You can't go wrong.
And it's fresh on the spot. The pie itself crunchy.
It's nice when you process. I enjoy everything so far. I'm still thinking about the saltfish.
Yeah.
That's taste still in my mouth. I really like the saltfish. Thank God we buy a saltfish. So guys, this is the main hit. At what name is again, boy?
Andy.
By Andy. This is the hit. And this is saltfish and smoke current
Mix
is the hit by him. This is what everybody coming for.
Bacon pie.
I know, we go see. But the truth, I feel go taste better with a fry break than a pie, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, I wouldn't really care to eat this much of potato. Can you think?
Yeah, bacon saltfish.
Bacon saltfish, just so. One thing. Me and Kenny just think I like, you know. Kevin are different.
Kevin do these kind of things.
I eat saltfish. I'm not really a fan of the smoke current, but the people.
Check it out. Check it out. Real nice. Plenty.
Just guys.
This is the hit. Let me see. It is it. I'm sorry. It is it. I love this. I think we get too complicated in the first bite.
Yeah. Simplicity.
It's not simple. We got one 2 ingredients already, you know.
No, I mean in comparison to the first pie with all the different meat now.
Very nice. Over nice. Has it been mommy here? Mommy eat some of this?
Yeah, man, I really enjoy this.
No, guys, I love my doubles and things, but on a weekend you want to change.
Yeah, how much that was really?
Every weekend they go eat doubles.
Come and check him. He's selling fast though, so come early.
Yeah.
Started not 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
5:30 to 10.
So you want a pie we buy today? He goes throughout early. Well done.
Hi guys, so last but not least,
Curry chicken pie.
curry chicken pie.
You know I leave the meat for last, you know, from Hawaii. Right? So let me see how we're doing this.
Yeah,
Alright, Kevin have a piece. Can you have a piece? Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, can you? Oh, but I got chicken. Let me check it out, Curry chicken.
Cheers.
And aloo pie, not bad. People curry nice. People curry a nice flavor.
Yeah.
Everything.
You know, like, it's different, but it reminds me like a fried baked with curry chicken.
But it's very nice.
It's nice.
It's really nice. But as I said, saltfish, so current,
Yeah.
that's what I like. And guys, that was the end of a small breakfast by Randy, by Andy, hot on the spot. You know, we like to try new things, we just pull up. Real nice. And we
out.
bye bye. Yes guys, so we just want to say one thing before we end this video. Kenny come and he wanted pizza all our pie.
Yeah.
And if I realize before he thought he the last two chicken pie.
Never said.
Quick behind me easy, and not once he asked me
If you want
for a
piece.
piece. But then after when we eat, we cheap pie, give me a piece. So I just wanted to end the video with that. I don't know if
But you know what the strangest thing about it? He put out me and Auntie Dan just to come to sit down to eat pie with two of you. So I wonder what we know with Kenny.
And here you wife outside.
yes guys, I'm here again.